Lords and ladies from across the country have made the pilgrimage to Caboolture for the Abbey Medieval Festival. Returning for the first time since the pandemic, it's the biggest celebration of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere.
Bravely heading into battle. At the Abbey Medieval Festival, COVID cancelled it twice, but today they were back in the Middle Ages and everyone dressed the part.
It's taken years and years, a little bit here and a little bit there.
It's more mythology based.
Visitors were given a taste of how things were done centuries ago.
I'm making butter, so using a butter churn.
While others showed off their archery, fencing and jousting skills.
The hits that they take here are real. You know, people are moving at 45 kilometres an hour with 600-700 kilos either side barrelling into each other.
This is my sword.
There's no shortage of knights in shining armour here. This year's festival is a sellout with 30,000 people expected over the 2 days.
They come up from, we had Melbourne and South Australia, Western Australia, all over the country.
Delivering $1 million boost to the region.
This event and this injection of tourists back into our region is so incredibly important to get that money back into those hotels, back into those local cafes.
The state government is promising $2 million to make the festival even bigger in 2023. No complaints here. Mel Whiteman, 7 News.
Time for the weather now. Here's Laura.
Katrina, we might need our own armour over the next few days in the form of jumpers, socks and blankets. The chilly nights are here to stay, but it's hard to complain when these clear conditions produce days as beautiful as this. A quick recap of today's temperatures: 8 to 20 in the city. It reached 19 on the Sunshine Coast and 18 on the Gold Coast. If we look to the satellite, our below-average temperatures are due to a broad high in the Bight, which has cleared much of the continent of cloud and is pushing cool and dry southerly winds over Queensland. Elsewhere, cloud over the Tasman is associated with a low near New Zealand. As we look ahead, an active cold front crosses the WA coast, bringing showers and some thunderstorms. And a trough will start moving into Queensland, generating showers. Around the country, showers in Sydney and Perth, partly cloudy in Canberra and Hobart. Back home, the north will be fine and sunny, apart from some cloud lingering over the peninsula with the slight chance of a shower. Mount Isa 7 to 21, Mackay 7 to 20. You can see the impact of that cool southerly air, minimums in the single digits all the way down the coast, and there's a warning for frost across the central and southern inland. Roma was -1.4 last night, similar tonight, and Bundaberg 6 to 20 degrees. Another pleasant sunny day ahead in the southeast. Ipswich and those western suburbs will feel the brunt of the crisp minimum temperatures though, dropping to 5 in Kenmore and Springwood, 7 to 20 degrees in North Lakes. On the water, southwesterly winds tending southerly up to 15 knots, and a strong southerly swell will keep increasing on Monday. Mostly sunny in Brisbane tomorrow with light winds, 7 to a top of 20 degrees. Essentially perfect conditions to be outside, but don't forget sun protection. Next week, showers will creep in on Tuesday, and get your winter woolies ready for Wednesday. The wind chill will be a factor. A similar story in Ipswich, very cold again overnight with showers likely on Tuesday. On the Gold Coast, showers could linger into Wednesday, with the rest of the week looking mostly sunny. And there might be a bit of cloud about on the Sunshine Coast tomorrow and Monday, otherwise fine. So not a bad way to wrap up the school holidays, Katrina.
Not too bad at all. Thanks, Laura. And that is all from us this Saturday. Thanks for your company from all the team. Have a great night. We'll catch you tomorrow.